The Weis volume flow indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and apply it to your Donda chart. Traders who want to understand how the indicator works can read this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to apply the indicator. Just make sure to go to the Comment section and enable the Allow DLL Imports option and then click on the OK button. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, an oscillator window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The Weis volume flow indicator is based on classical analysis, and its goal is to identify bullish and bearish waves in trading volume and compare these waves with price movements. In general, in an uptrend, if the current price is higher than the previous bar's price, the volume of this candle and the volume of the previous candle are added together, and more bars are displayed to us if the price is lower than the previous bar's price. The volume is added to the previous volume, and taller bars are shown on the chart. And if our uptrend or downtrend ends, the volume won't be added to the previous bar, and a new bar will be created for us. In the Settings section, in the Input section, there's an option for us to choose the volume method, which is available in two modes: tick volume and real volume. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy to have you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.